Hey guys, hello! I'm going to make makgulli. Before I go to bed tonight, I'm gonna soak this in water. I'll wash this in water. So it's like making rice. You need to wash this very thoroughly. When you make makgulli or any kind of alcohol, Korean alcohol, you must think about something really happy so that the alcohol tastes really happy. I have to wash this a couple of times. So now it's all washed. So you see how the water is very transparent. I'm gonna say goodnight and make makgulli when I get up in the morning. Good night. Have a good sleep. Good morning, and I'll cook this rice now. Now I'll put in the rice. I'm going to steam this rice. It's really hot. Place it on here and let it rest. I steamed it up for about like 15 minutes. You need to cool it off. So while we're cooling this, 1 scoop. 200 milliliter of water. I like to use Pinch of Yeast. It ferments more quicker. It's very important that you use cold water, because if you use hot water, then you'll kill all the good bacteria, the good ingredients to make the makgulli. Sterilizing the jar with hot steam. This is very important so that there is no bacteria inside the jar, so your makgulli doesn't go wrong. Put everything in. Perfecto Rito. I like to use gloves because I don't want to get any of this stuff in my nails. Also, at this point, you want to add more water. So 300 milliliter more of water. So 1 kilogram of the rice and 500 water. So it should be half. See how it mixes well now? Very well mixed. Just crunch it. Think of someone that you hate. Just mush, mush, mush. Mush. No, actually, think of someone who you love. Makgulli should be made with love. I'm gonna put this in another jar. I need a bigger jar, so I'm gonna move this to here. Now it's better. Ta-da! We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year, Santa Claus. You need to wipe the sides. It can become bacteria and then ruin the makgulli fermentation. Use a kitchen towel or something and you want to leave the lid a little bit open, otherwise it'll blow up. It's day one. Ta-da! Day one. I can smell the makgulli. I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna add this.